Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today we are going to be making a really easy, kind of like a staple dish, if you will. I make this a lot and leave it in the fridge for the week, and I use it for salads, for wraps. I mean, really anything, because that flavor, it's not overpowering. It's delicious, but you can really incorporate it to anything else that you want. And it's just chicken. It's like a butter, garlic, lemony chicken. So it has flavor, so you can use it in different dishes or just eat it on its own, and it's phenomenal. So let's get started.